In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up emails and text in Jobber Desktop. By the end, your company details will be correctly set so Jobber can use them on emails, texts, quotes, and invoices sent to your clients. First, open Jobber on your desktop in a web browser and sign into the account you use for your business. You'll want to be on the desktop version for full access to settings, and you may need the right permissions to make changes. Look to the top right corner of Jobber and click the small gear icon. That's your shortcut to account and company configuration. From there, choose Settings to open the area where your branding and contact information live. On the Company Details page, start by entering your company name. Type it exactly as you want clients to see it across all communications. Next, add your main business phone number. This number appears to clients on documents and in message footers, so use a line your team monitors. Include the full area or country code and keep the formatting consistent for a professional look. Scroll down to add your website URL and your business email address. The website helps clients find you easily from documents and communications. The email address you enter is used as the sender or reply to for messages like quotes, invoices, and appointment notifications, so choose an inbox that's checked regularly. Double check spelling and punctuation. Small typos here can prevent messages from reaching clients. When everything looks good, click Update Settings to save. You should see a confirmation that your changes were applied. From this point forward, Jobber pulls your company name, phone, website, and email into the emails and texts it generates, keeping your communications consistent and on brand. That's it. You've set up the essentials that power client-facing emails and text messages in Jobber Desktop. You can always return to the gear icon in settings anytime to make updates as your business details evolve.